ICamFunKid. Oh, what have I got for you? Come on, have a look.
Whoa! What is it?
Right, sit down there then. Let's see. What do you think it is?
Straw house.
A dollhouse that size?
Yeah, look over for me.
No, I opened it. You need to open it. This is why it's a secret.
Okay.
What do you think it might be?
I don't know. It's straw house on me.
What did you ask for? Not a dollhouse.
Then what is?
Or it's a very small dollhouse. Oh, it's coming. Oh, coming. Wow.
Whoa! How quick it freezes!
What is it?
Okay, look.
Oh, wow. Oh, I can see something. Oh, what do you think it is?
Hello Kitty.
What? Hello Kitty?
Yeah. I want to see. Wow! Look. I got this. Let's open it. Whoa!
Oh, show the camera. Oh, wow. What is it? Let me see.
Hello Kitty.
It's Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty
Freezer.
freezer with what? Food?
Yeah, then we kiss it.
Oh, hold on. Let me help you open it. So, show me what you got.
I have bottle
Hot bottle?
and pizza.
Pizza?
No pizza and sissi
And what else?
and sauce
Sauce?
and candy.
Oh, show me the fridge. Oh, I can't see it. I'm holding a big camera.
Yeah.
Wow, let me see. Show the camera. Wow. Hello Kitty.
And then it can close.
And you can put everything.
Yeah, what is in it?
Yeah.
Oh, no, what is there?
Because it's all there, you need to put it in.
And then it have soup.
Soup.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ouch, something.
And where did it come from?
Japan.
It came from Japan.
Yeah. And they have cake.
And who bought it for you?
You.
Yeah, I went all the way to Japan
And then this
on eBay
is,
to buy it for you. So try and play with it for at least 1 hour.
and then here's the chicken.
Oh, that's the eggs.
Yeah. Then see here, egg cup.
That's the egg cup.
And I want to open this. Oh, not open.
Yeah, you know how to do it.
I don't want to do it. Then
So that's the eggs there.
put all this egg in. Then I cannot lose.
So you don't lose it.
No. Then
Okay.
lose, so then I have no egg.
Then you have no egg. Let me see them eggies. Oh, wow.
I don't like to lose.
Oh,
What?
nothing. So, what else?
More egg. Egg so nice. I want
So, what else you got?
hold on.
Are you still putting the eggs in? Them eggs are... Oh,
Oh no! Don't worry.
what?
Okay.
What is it?
Where this come from?
You put the eggs in?
Yeah, where this come from?
That's for the fruit or the vegetables in the bottom.
Cause this is poopy. I said poopy.
Yeah.
I like poopy.
Is that your poopy fridge?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's not my poopy fridge.
So what else is there?
Hold on, this is not
Okay.
And here under it.
What's that?
Under it.
Omelette.
Yeah.
Wow.
We are. Oopsie, I forgot I'm not finished. And then. Get off it. Get off! Go everything.
Oh, let's see.
Oh, my egg fell off.
Uh-oh, eggs fell off.
Aww.
Ah, means you need to fix them again.
No, it is the pony. No, not.
Show me the... move your leg, I can't see the eggs.
Hey, for ready.
Oh, oh, wow.
I'm not finished yet, Mama.
Oh, our food is ready now. So, say bye.
No.
Say bye-bye to me, to the camera.
I'm not finished. Then here, the cooking.
Oh, the cooking.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then here. And
What else?
bread.
Bread? Oh, I'm starving.
And then here's potato.
Potato?
Yeah.
Wow.
Potato go and that's it.
They go in there?
Yeah. Oh, man.
Wow.
I'm gonna go in here.
Mmm. Okay, with all that talk of the food.
And then this carrot.
I'm starving.
No, don't lie. There's this carrot.
Carrots?
Yeah.
Wow.
After you put in here.
Okay.
Oh, you're not putting in here. Hold on. This bar going off.
What else?
Hold on.
See?
Break.
It's not broken. You can take it out and put it in. That's like a real fridge.
Oh. You? Why not a song?
Song?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a musical fridge.
Aww.
See? Oh, where's see all your eggs?
That
Right, I'm going to eat my real eggs, okay? So say bye.
But I want to show you guys.
I'll see ya.
No, I'm not finished yet. And then I put all egg in.
Oh, Mama calling. Time for food.
I don't like this pencil.
Then you can come back.
And then this for
Yeah. What's that?
food, and then this for plate.
This is a microwave.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then open and close and open and close.
Nice.
Open all in this and this and this.
Wow.
And this and this.
All that
and
food.
this.
Mmm. Yummy, yummy.
Oh, I
Mmm.
love this food.
Okay. Time for my food. Right.
No.
See ya. Bye from me.
And then this and
Bye.
put in. And then this for candy.
Mmm. Oh, you candy. Oh, look, I can smell my French fries. Mmm. Okay, so we've had our dinner.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're back to finish off.
Yeah. And then I eat ice cream.
So what did you have for your dinner?
Ice cream and don't know.
Ice cream and don't know?
I eat toast.
And toast. Honey toast. So,
And chocolate. Really nice.
wow. So, what about this toy?
And then this bread.
So, this is what? The Hello Kitty fridge with microwave and
Then this chicken.
chicken.
Then and this.
What's that?
Don't know.
It looks like a plate.
Then here's a cake.
Cake.
Yeah.
Mmm, but you eat cake already, so you can't eat anymore.
No, then it cannot take off because it has sticker.
Oh, okay, that just goes in the fridge, I think.
Yeah.
It's what?
It's candy.
Candy.
Yeah, I did it.
Mmm.
I eat You want to start?
Mmm. Thanks, yum yum. Okay.
And then I've got this.
No, that didn't come with it.
Let it come with it.
That didn't come with your fridge.
Okay, let it go. Come on, look big. It'd be this.
Yeah, see? So what else you putting in your fridge?
And this put in the fridge. And this go in the kitchen.
Wow, what's that?
The kitchen area. Oh, Dad.
What?
Why do we have kitchen?
Yeah, kitchen. I don't know. You can get Hello Kitty kitchen.
I know. Why not buy how the kitty says it? How the kitty says so nice and so comfy and so poopy. And then this popsicle.
What?
Popsicle.
Popsicle.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, nice. But won't that melt? Don't you need to put it in the fridge?
Oh.
See? I'm just looking at these eggs here. Are these real eggs?
No, it's not really. It's our toy.
Ah, okay.
And then this for chicken.
For chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. And what's that? What's that? Oh! Microwave's fallen.
What?
Careful. Okay. Right. Take it out.
Oh, cake filled.
Cake fell.
Oh, cake not happy. Just make now one.
Okay.
Done.
Show me. Lovely.
Okay, can I put it here?
Okay.
And then this cookie.
Cookie?
Yeah, I like cookie.
Yeah.
You like cookie?
Yes.
Me too. Cookie no have for the fish. And then this milk.
Milk?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you think? Is it a good
This orange.
orange juice?
Yeah.
So, is it a good toy or a bad toy?
Good toy.
Okay, so that's Ice's view is a good toy.
Yeah. And then this he have out my stomach.
Okay. So,
Let's go in here.
I'm going to leave you to play with it, okay?
Be-
Say bye to the camera.
I'm not finished yet.
Yes.
No.
You know, you can still play.
No, not finished. I need cookie.
Mmm.
Hold on. I need to put everything back together. I do it. Okay.
Wow.
All done.
Done? Okay.
Have it close.
That's it. Close it. Something keeping it from closing. Check, the door stuck. Something there?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. Right. So, that's it. All closed now?
Yeah. They did not fit. Don't worry. And then this so nice because she had pink and heart and Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
See? It goes nicer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. See ya.